today I'm going to show how to make stir fried spicy squid. For the ingredient I have 1 cut onion, carrot, green onion and green chili, squid, canned sugar, sesame oil and soy sauce, lemon, garlic, ginger, red chili paste, cucumber, salad and soybean paste. Okay, right now I'm going to clean the salad. Okay, right now in a small bowl, put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 3 teaspoons of canned sugar, 1 tablespoon of red chili paste, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and this going to be the stir fry sauce. And I also chop some garlic and ginger for put inside the sauce. Okay, right now it's time to make the dipping sauce. I'm going to separate 1 tablespoon of the sauce. And then add some soybean paste. And then add lemon juice. Okay, right now I'm going to taste the sauce. It's a little bit salty, so I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of canned sugar, and then add some sesame oil, and then mix it well. Okay, for the squid, right now I'm going to cut in small pieces. And I also have mixed cornstarch and water. Okay, right now it's time to cook. In the hot pan, add some olive oil, add onion, and then stir it a little bit. And add everything inside, and then stir it for a couple minutes. Okay, after a couple minutes, right now I'm going to add the squid inside. And then add all the sauce inside. And then add the cornstarch water. And cook about 2 minutes. Okay, right now it's done, so I'm going to turn off the heat. Thank you everyone for watching my recipe. If you not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it right now and turn on your notification. Okay, bye. See you next time on my next recipe.